This 3.2 kilometers road network being flagged off by the Federal Capital Territories Minister Nyesom Wike leads to Mabushi, connects Katampe, Kado and Jahi.
Along with this are going to be provided the conventional or requisite engineering infrastructure of water supply, storm and drainages, as well as solar street lighting. With today's commissioning, this will definitely open up development in Katampe, Mabushi, Katampe, and the adjoining districts.
Wike expressed his commitment to ensure that all existing districts are well connected with good roads.
And that's the mandate Mr. President has given, that every district in Abuja, before we create new districts, the ones that have been created should have the basic infrastructure that cities are supposed to have. So let me assure all of us that we are not just people who say awarding contract. No. And these contracts have been awarded by Federal Executive Council, not FCT, Federal Executive Council. And no project under our tenure will last or will stay beyond us. No.
Joy Igoche, ITV News.